I'm reminding you, as well as myself, that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Welcome if you are new or returning to my channel. I'm Erica. In this video, I will show you how I went from this to this. If you're interested, keep watching. So this is not a tutorial. This is just me giving you guys a bit of update as to the colors of this hair, what it is. It's not a wig, it's crochet braids. There's my part right there. My invisible knot method. Okay. Crochet braids where? This? It's not a wig. The colors are a little bit different. I do have a mixture of hair installed here, and the base hair that I did use is hair that I've showed in, I think I've done 3 videos regarding this hair before, 3 or 4, I'm not sure, along the lines of that. And this is the same hair that is in this video, and that video. And the other hair that I used, I believe I only used this hair once. This will be my second time, and it is in this video. The braiding pattern that I did use, which I'm sticking to right now because my hair is getting longer, so as it gets longer, I believe that this braiding pattern works perfectly. And it's just, I have like 12 going back, 10 or 12 going halfway back, maybe midway, and then I do like the spiral method, and then I just catch the ends of the hair and then crochet it in. Now, this hair that I used, the first color that I want to say that I used, it is the T1B27. That is the base color that you can see here. T1B and color number 613. So there's just like a bit of highlights throughout. I wasn't sure. I wanted to install the T1B 613 throughout, but then I'm like, I'm not sure if I'm ready for that yet, because it's kind of giving me like a gray kind of look. But I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get gray one day, so might as well start rocking it now, right? So this is the T1B27. You can see I just kind of played around it, and I think it looks so nice right now. I've had this hair in for about a week, and it looks okay, just that the hair is kind of clumping together and it's getting a little bit frizzy, as you can see there. I also went ahead, and this hair that I used, I did have some left over. This is the 5X Easy Text pre-stretched in its 1-pack solution. So I literally just used maybe about one, this was like hair leftover, so I used about like one, not even 1 pack. I used maybe about like 5 strands of that hair, and I just did it throughout like the front here. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I kind of just blended it in. To be honest with you, I don't even think it's the same curl pattern, but anyways, it worked out. Now I want to also address a question that I believe someone had asked me before washing the crochet braids. Now what I do when I do wash the crochet braids is I honestly just go and, as if I'm taking a shower, and I just wash the scalp. But what I do, I focus on the roots of my hair, so like the scalp, the braids and stuff like that, and I try my best to dilute the shampoo as well as the conditioner. I dilute that a lot because I just don't want that buildup in my hair. So I just do that a few times, and make sure you get like a good conditioner, something that smells real good. And make sure you do this process if you're gonna wash the crochet braids. Just do this when you're not going anywhere where you have no plans, because you need maybe about a whole day to get it to dry, right? Because you can't apply heat to the roots of it because, you know, it's crochet braids. So that's a way to do it. And then of course you just want to maybe just twist it and get it to dry a little bit faster. Most of the times I really don't keep crochet braids in for a long period of time, because that's what my content is focused or based on, right? And I do weekly videos, I try to, so that's what I do. Now, another thing I wanted to share with you guys, this hair looks okay like this. And of course I ended up using 3 packs. This hair looks really good, and honestly I feel like the longer I have it in, the better it looks. But one of the things that I wanted to share with you guys is to let you know that you can brush the hair if you do choose to do that, and that's something that I want to share with you guys in this video. So what I do is I get a brush And I start from the ends. I think I've actually shown a video of this before. I just start from the ends and work my way up and work my way up. And then you're gonna get the hair look just like this. So the curls are not as clumped together anymore. And I just go through with my fingers, kind of do that, and then I kind of just wind it a little bit back into the direction of the curl, and then it just forms right back. So if you find that the hair maybe is frizzen a bit, or the curls are getting a little bit too clumped and you don't like that look, then this is another option. Or this is a way to, you know, get the curls looking less frizzy, right? Yeah. Yeah, and so I just like that, and I just work the curls, like I just work my hands through it. And if you have products, like, I don't know, maybe if you have products and you want to put products in it, that's something you could try. I haven't done that. And then you just work your way through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush out one side. Oh no. And of course, if you get it not in like that, it's best to get your scissors and just cut away, because yeah, you don't want that. Right, so I don't know if you can tell the difference. This side looks a little bit more full and more of like, you know, waves like this. I like this better, if you can see, whereas this side is more clumped together and it really does look a bit more matted, you know? Yeah, so either way is fine, but I just think that, you know, this gives the hair a little bit more definition, and it gives it a little bit more like natural look to it, I would want to say. And then once you brush it together, then you can see those highlights pop. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this color combination is so good. Again, if you guys maybe have missed when I said it, I'm going to make sure I leave all the information that I can in this video, so that way you guys are not feeling like, you know, left out. And by the way, if my previous video offended any of you guys, I want to deeply apologize, because honestly, to be honest with you, you guys, it's because of your support why I even ventured into doing more crochet braids videos. But sometimes it's a little bit discouraging, you know, when you're leaving the information or you're doing your due diligence to help someone and tell them, okay, this is what I did, this is what I did, and then it's like, you know, those individuals, they don't watch the video, and then asking it in the comments is like, dude, I worked so hard to edit the video, do my hair, share it to you guys and all that, only for you to not watch the video and then ask me questions that are already involved in the video, right? But either way, it's okay, because who knows, this channel is growing because of you guys. So hey, for those of you guys that support me, this is information that I'm giving to you. And again, thanks for watching, for commenting, subscribing, commenting, and liking. I really appreciate that, because it helps me so much, and really and truly thank you. So if I can share the information with you guys to help you out a little bit, why not, right? So again, you can see this side looks, even to me, I think it looks a little bit more defined and it looks a little bit more fresh, whereas this side, it just really looks, right? You see that? But then now look at this side. So anyways, I'm just gonna go quickly and brush this side, but just to give you guys an idea. Right, so as you can see, the before, see, I don't know if you can tell the difference. To me, in my opinion, I think this has a little bit more body to it, more volume, whereas the other one looked just literally like flat, if that's, you know, so it just looks a bit flat, whereas this one looks more full and more, I think, better, in my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know. Right, so again, just to recap, the hair that I did use, I did end up using the T1B27. I believe it is called the Hawaiian Curl. I also used it in the T1B/613, and I also used the Janet, it's color OET 1B27. So this is what this looks like. So I used, that's the color combination that I used to achieve this look. And I just thought the hair looks so nice because I've gotten so many compliments on this hair. And I honestly, I was kind of going to take it out, but then I'm like, no, you know, I could wear this a little bit longer. And so that's what I'm going to do, as well as the method that I told you guys about, how I'm going to, or how you can wash, like my suggestion as to how you can wash the hair. I will be attempting that. I don't know if I'm going to keep this hair in for longer. I could, but then again, must remind you, because my channel is focused on Christian content, right? So, but mainly crochet braids. I also have some oils that I use with the nasal hair, and I go in and I just oil my scalp, right? Because it's a protective style. So we want to make sure that we are growing our hair and protecting it at the same time. So that's one of the things I do as well. So there you go. As you can see, this is all brushed out. It looks so much better now. It doesn't look flat. It doesn't look, you know, tangled. It just honestly looks like it has more volume to it. And I like this. It's not as clumped together. It looks more wavy and loose and free flowing. So there's that. I just wanted to do this video. I wanted to say quick, but it's not quick, as you can see. So I do hope this video helps you guys a lot. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. Comment, like, and share, and stay tuned for my next video. God willing, you will stop by and let me know what you think of this color. It is really growing on me. Really like it. All right, so there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.